Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about how to be the boss of your social media. How to make it super fun and good for you. Ready? Let's jump in.
All right, so this is part 3 of our big 4-part series. Remember how we talked about all those sneaky tricks apps use to get you to just keep scrolling and scrolling? Things like those endless feeds and notifications that pop up out of nowhere? Well, knowing about those tricks is like the first super important step to taking back control.
But after hearing about all those tricks, you might be thinking, wait a second, is social media just bad? Is it all a big trap? Well, the answer is no, not at all. It really depends on how you use it.
That's right, it is not all tricks and traps. Seriously, when you're the one in charge, social media can actually be the super cool, awesome tool. Let's dive into some of the good stuff, okay? I mean, just think about it. You can learn how to draw like the perfect anime character from a tutorial. Or, what if you're the only kid you know who's obsessed with dinosaurs? Well, you can find a whole community of dino lovers online. It's a place where you can show off your amazing drawings or your Lego builds, keep in touch with your cousins who live super far away, and even let people know what you think about important stuff.
Okay, so the big question is, how do we get all that awesome stuff without falling into the traps? Easy. We need a plan, a healthy habits plan. This is how you become the boss of your own apps. You ready to see it?
All right, here it is, our 6-step plan to becoming the ultimate app boss. Number 1, set time limits. Like, just set a timer for 30 minutes and you're done. Number 2, take breaks. Go outside, run around, do something else. 3, and this one is huge, hang out with your friends in real life. 4, make some no-phone times. The dinner table is a great one. 5, just check in with yourself, notice how you're feeling. And 6, follow accounts that make you smile and feel good.
Okay. Being a good boss means you also have to be a bit of a detective. You got to know when something's not quite right. So, it's super important to spot the warning signs, the clues that tell you maybe, just maybe, you're using social media a little too much.
So check out these big warning signs, things like feeling kind of sad or worried after you scroll, or having a really tough time falling asleep. Maybe you can't focus in class, or you'd rather stay inside on your phone than go play outside. And the big one? It just feels impossible to stop scrolling. What's wild is how they all connect, right? Like if you scroll too late, you can't sleep, and if you can't sleep, you can't focus at school the next day. It's like a domino effect.
Let's break it down even more. A warning sign could be that yucky feeling you get, that jealous feeling when you see someone else's vacation pictures. Or maybe you look at the clock and, whoa, it's way past your bedtime because you were watching videos. It could even be getting into arguments with your family about how much time you spend on your phone, or even just your eyes feel all tired and fuzzy, These are all little messages from your brain and your body saying, hey, I think we need a break.
Now, if you hear all that and think, uh-oh, that sounds like me sometimes, please don't worry. It happens to everyone. Getting unstuck and feeling good again is totally doable. And honestly, it's way easier than you might think. Have you ever had that feeling, where you're like, okay, just one more video, and then bam, an hour is gone. You're just stuck in that scroll loop. So, what on earth do you do when you feel like that?
Okay, here's a super simple 4-step plan to break free. First, and this is the most important, bravest thing you can do, talk to a grown-up you trust. A parent, a teacher, anyone. They are on your team. Second, try taking a total break. Maybe just for one day or a whole weekend. Third, go find other fun stuff to do. Ride your bike, read a book, play a board game with your family. And fourth, when you're ready to go back, make a new, smarter plan to slow things down.
Seriously, taking a break can be a game changer. Listen to this from Maria. She's 11. She said she stopped using TikTok for 2 weeks and was totally surprised that she started sleeping way better. Now she reads before bed, and she says she feels so much more energized in the morning. How cool is that? She found something new she loves, and now she's in control. That's a total win.
Okay, let's land on the most important idea of this whole entire thing. You ready? No matter how many tricks an app has, no matter how much it wants you to keep scrolling, you are the one in charge. You have all the power.
100%. That is exactly how much control you have. You're the one who decides when to open an app. You're the one who decides when to close it. You decide what you look at. You are the boss. End of story.
And please, whatever you do, never forget this. The stuff that makes you awesome, like how kind you are, your super creative ideas, the way you laugh, the fact that you're a great friend, none of that
None of it has anything to do with a number of likes or followers. Your real life with your real family and your real friends, that's the stuff that really, truly matters.
So I'm going to leave you with a challenge. What's one amazing, real-life thing you're going to do today? Right now, after this is over. Whatever it is, go do it. Thanks for figuring all this out with me.